Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Happymod on iOS. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down a little to find and open the General tab. After that, go into the Background App Refresh section. It may either be directly visible or inside the iPhone Storage tab, depending on your iOS version. Make sure that the Background App Refresh is turned on, as this is important for the process to work properly. Next, open any browser of your choice on the iOS device. Now go ahead and search for happymod.com in the browser. Once the site opens, tap on the Download button to start downloading the app. After the download completes, go back to the General tab inside Settings again, and this time access the VPN and device management settings. Inside this section, you will be able to see a profile named Happymod. Right now, it may not be showing anything in this demonstration, but in your case, the Happymod profile should appear once the download is complete. When you see it, simply tap on the profile and approve it for installation. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download and install Happymod on iOS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.